If you're chasing 10K a month with a 5K mindset, you'll run forever. Here's the switch that actually gets you there. When I first aimed for 10K a month, everyone told me the same route. Get the grades, get the degree, get the job, get in line. I did the maths. The line ends around 5K a month for most people, on a good day. Even if you win the job lottery, you're still renting your life by the hour. I wanted the other door, the one with money and freedom.
If you feel that tug, like you're built for more but don't know the path, this is for you. You don't need permission, a fancy CV, or a perfect plan. You need a route you can start today. Mine has 3 steps. No fluff, no fees, just work that compounds, not consume. You don't need more information, you need the right information that turns into money. Pick one high-income skill that matches your natural bias. Video editing, high-ticket sales, web design, coding, copywriting, paid ads, data ops. If you're already decent at something, double down. It's faster to sharpen a strength than fix a weakness. Curate your teachers. 3 to 5 credible creators, not 30. Take notes on principles and processes, not their life stories. Join the trenches, Reddit, Discord, niche forums. Read the real problems clients complain about. Those are invoices waiting to happen. Design your sprint. 14 days to build a tiny, real thing. A landing page, 3 edited shorts, a micro app, a 5 email sequence. Learning without a live target is just procrastination with good branding. Guardrail. If you're Step 2. Proof, not apply. Money follows proof. Ship small, charge early, raise often. Prototype to portfolio. Do 3 projects, one for yourself, one for a stranger, code DM with a before-after mock, one paid at a discount. Package outcomes, not hours. Price by result. £800 for 4 videos is weak. £1,200 to add plus 30% watch time and 10 hooks you can reuse is strong. Simple path to £10,000. 5 clients multiplied by £2,000 per month retainers, or 10 clients multiplied by £1,000 per month retainers, or 2 flagship projects multiplied by £5,000 per month. Done for you plus strategy. Systemize as you go. Every repeat task becomes a Google Doc SOP. Break the work into roles. Clip finder, editor, subtitle, poster, QA. This turns your skill into a business. Step 3. Scale by teaching. The fastest lever after proof is publishing how you do it. Why it works, 95% will never implement fully. You'll still attract the 5% who pay you to do it for them. Start with their problem, not your story. Here's the exact 3-step workflow that cut my edit time by 40%, beats my journey as an editor. Impact framework for every post. Inspire, quick win from your client or project. Message, 1 sticky line, outcomes over hours. Practical, 3 steps they can do today. Authentic, show your real screen or process. Conversation, ask 1 specific question and reply to comments. Timing, ride relevant trends to spotlight your evergreen tips. Monetize simply. A £99 playbook, a £29 a month community with weekly office hours, a £4.99 cohort workshop once a quarter. Stack these on top of your done-for-you retainers and your income gets both higher and smoother. Common traps. Endless courses. If you don't ship weekly, you're stalling. Custom everything. Productize 80%. Save custom for premium. Vanity flex. Clients buy quiet competence and clear outcomes. 90-day action plan. Days 1 to 7. Pick your skill, curate 5 teachers, join 2 communities, outline a 14-day build. Days 8 to 21, ship your V1. Post the breakdown, DM 20 target accounts with a 1-slide audit, land 1 to 2 paid pilots. Days 22 to 45, turn your workflow into SOPs, raise prices, move pilots to retainers. Publish weekly How I Did X posts. Days 46 to 90, hire 1 to 2 part-time operators for the SOP roles, launch a £99 playbook, open 5 retainer slots. Aim for 6 to 8k MRR by day 90, 10k plus by month 4 to 5. You can keep climbing a ladder that tops out under 5.5k per month, or you can build a staircase that never ends. Choose fuel, proof, then teach. Keep it boringly consistent. Make your first 10k month the floor, not the ceiling. If you want access to my NDG digital course, the full step-by-step system I use to attract clients, increase income, and scale your creator business, just comment NDG and I'll send you the details.